Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to extract or grab text from an image in Canva using its built-in tools. This is helpful when we want to convert text from images into editable content quickly and easily. In the Canva dashboard, all we need to do is click on the image we want to extract text from. Then click Edit, and we will see a set of tools appear. From there, click on the options to view everything available. Scroll down to the bottom, and we will find the Grab Text option. Keep in mind that this feature is only available on a business or pro plan. Once we have access, just click Grab Text, and Canva will automatically detect and pull all the text from the image. And that is how we can extract text from an image in Canva in just a few simple steps. We can turn any image into editable text and save time on manual typing.